Did you know you could verify a fiber optic link in just 3 seconds? In this short video capsule, you'll learn how to verify a fiber optic link in 3 seconds with EXFO's optical fiber multimeter, the Optical Explorer. Connect your launch cord to the link to be verified, select Flash Advisor, and tap play. That's it. In 3 seconds, the Optical Explorer will display the 3 key optical parameters: link length, loss, and optical return loss. All this is possible without a second technician on the far end and without errors caused by any referencing process. Plus, the Optical Explorer will automatically interpret these values in the form of a 5-star rating. EXFO Advisor validates link quality in seconds. This solution offers an instant and objective evaluation of the link quality. Congratulations, you are now ready to verify a fiber optic link in 3 seconds. For more information or to schedule a demo, visit exfo.com.